In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 ways to optimize your Google Ads Performance Max campaigns. I've been using Google Ads and doing affiliate marketing for the past 7 years. And in this video, I want to share some of these ways with you that helped me achieve success in my own campaigns. Make sure you guys stay through to the end of the video because every single way to optimize your campaigns that I mention here will be just as important as the last. So you don't want to miss any of that. So let's get straight into it. The first way you can optimize your Performance Max campaigns in Google Ads is to add negative keywords. Now you can't actually add these negative keywords at the campaign level. So you have to go to the account level and add the negative keywords there. So what you would do is you would select all of your campaigns, click on settings and click on account settings right over here. And then you would go in and look for the negative keywords option, which is right over here, negative keywords. And then you can go in and add all the negative keywords that are irrelevant to your business, to your campaign in this case. So some of the keywords you might want to add would be applicable campaign to campaign. However, there are some universal keywords that you would probably want to avoid. So if you are a business that only sells products and has nothing for free, maybe you'd want to add free as a negative keyword. Or maybe if you're selling high-end stuff, you want to avoid words like cheap, things like that. So this is one of the ways you can optimize your campaign is by adding these negative keywords at the account level, because unfortunately that's all you get here with Performance Max campaigns, but it's better than nothing and will allow you to make the most out of what you have and to avoid a lot of irrelevant searches to your site. The second way you can optimize your Google Ad Performance Max campaigns is to utilize ad extensions and use up as much space as possible in your ads, guys. So for your headlines, you have up to 30 characters. For your descriptions, you have up to 90. You can use all of that. You can also use ad extensions. They're just so powerful, guys. I have another video. You can take a look in the description where my CTR basically tripled when I started using certain extensions. So take a look at that video if you want, just to see how important these extensions are. So the first thing you want to do is if you click on your performance campaigns, first thing you want to do is just make sure that you're using as much ad space as possible, right? So if we just go to, asset groups here, let's start from top to bottom. If you click on edit assets, the first thing you guys want to do is make sure that you're utilizing the 30 character limit here for your headlines. You want to make sure you're utilizing the 90 character limit, okay? So utilize as much as possible just because it will make your ads stand out more. The other thing is here, the ad extensions, guys. I can't stress enough how powerful they are. If you go into assets, you can add site link extensions, call out, structured snippet, all of these depending on what type of business you're in. If you're a business that can accept phone calls, you can add a call extension. If you want to collect leads, Google Ads provides you with an easy lead form that people can use to sign up to whatever it is you're offering. The 3 ad extensions that I suggest for every single business, regardless of what you do, are the site link, call out, and structured snippet. And they're gonna look something like this. And it's just amazing how much more space they take up, guys. They're just incredible extensions that you have no excuse not to use at all. Before we move on to optimization way number 3, if you guys enjoy this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe, hit the notification bell icon so you get more videos like this. You don't miss out on these different tips, tricks, techniques to helping you make money online. All right, let's get back into the video. Optimization way for your Google Ads Performance Max campaigns number 3 is to utilize the site exclusions, guys. So it's good that you're giving Google control to test out and try out different sites. However, there might be certain parts of your site that you don't want to show people, right? Maybe your privacy page, your terms of use page, maybe your contact us page if that's irrelevant to your product. So the way you would do that is if you head over into settings for your campaign and give it a second to load here, you click on automatically created assets and you want to exclude some URLs that are irrelevant to what it is you're offering, right? So you can click on exclude URLs and then you can click on rules and you can say, hey, as long as my URL contains, for example, privacy policy, let's say about us, and then you guys are going to click add over here. So they're going to be selected here. Then you're going to click on apply. And now Google isn't going to show these sites that contain privacy policy, contain about us, whatever else that is irrelevant, right? So you guys are just gonna funnel traffic onto the pages that matter. You're gonna give Google a little bit of direction. Optimization way number 4 for your Google Ad Performance Max campaigns is to use videos if you don't have any. If you haven't created videos, that's okay. Google can actually create videos for you. They have a really cool feature here that allows them to automatically create videos. All you have to do is add some headlines, add some images, your logo. So what you would do here is you would click on edit assets, and this is mainly for YouTube advertising, right? Because with this Performance Max campaign, you will also show your videos on YouTube. So you will go over here, and if you don't have any, you can click on edit over here, and you can click on create right over here in the top right. So you click on create, and then I found this to be really cool. Okay, so you can choose a template that you like, and look at this. So when you hover over a specific image here that will become a video, this is what it's gonna look like. And look, it looks like a professional video, actually, right? So these are 15-second bumper ads that you can put on YouTube. So you can click on use template. Let's say you like this one. And so the first thing we're gonna do, so you're gonna go by frame, right? So these are the things that Google is asking you to add. So you're gonna have to add them all over here. So let's do a few maybe. So let me add a logo. Not very good, but just for example. So then your logo is going to look like this. It's going to load a little bit, right? And then this is the next frame. So the next frame, they're asking you to put an image. So image, let's say, I don't know, let's do this one as an example. And then you guys are just going to go frame by frame, okay? And you're going to fill in the blanks, and then Google will actually make a video for you. Yeah, so this is what it's going to look like, right? So look, the first part here is a logo. Look, it's going to be like a logo here. And then it's going to be the image, which is what we have here. And then here, I think we have to add text, right? So main message, get your offer here, something like that. It varies. The amount of characters will vary template to template. Some it's 27, some it's 40, some it's higher, some it's lower. But this is what it's going to look like. I don't think we can preview yet because we haven't finished everything, but that's how you would do it. And last but not least, Google Ads Performance Max optimization way number 5 is to utilize the audience segments to the fullest, guys. There are so many audience segments that you can pick from. Take advantage of them, because this is going to point Google in the right direction to find customers that are relevant for you, right? So we're gonna click cancel here. We're gonna leave this. Let me show you where you would do that. So over here, audience signal, right? So we created one in the previous video where I showed you how to create a Performance Max campaign. But you're gonna click here. We click on edit here. Let me just show you how many options there are. Basically the same as when you're doing display advertising. So here you can target custom segments. So if you go here, you click on new segment, you can target people that have searched for specific terms, that have interests or purchase intentions for specific things, that browse certain websites, use certain apps, okay? That's a lot already. But over here, this is what I like the most, in-market segments. So you can target people based on all of these guys. Look. All of these things here. So let's go to browse. This is what I like. In market, life events. You can target people based on their life events, guys. That's crazy. Based on their in market, that means Google determines these people are in the market. They're searching specifically for something to buy. You can take advantage of that. Detailed demographics, life events. Like look at life events, guys. Look at this. It's a little difficult to scroll up and down here, but what I wanted to show you here is over here. Like look at this: retirement, business creation, college graduation, right? Home renovation. That's crazy, guys. The amount of details Google has here that you can use, you can utilize for your own marketing is insane. Take advantage of this. At the very least, go through every single option here with these audience signals just so you have it in your mind. And then later on, maybe when you get more data about your audience, about your perfect market, that's when you can go in and say, okay, you know, my perfect audience are people who have purchased a home, or my perfect audience are people that have retired or that are moving or that have a home renovation upcoming. Detailed demographics here. Look at this: parental status, marital status, employment, home ownership status. That's insane amount of detail that you guys can use in your campaigns to point Google in the right direction. Tell them what sort of customers you're looking for so they can find more of that sort of audience, okay? These are the 5 optimization ways for your Google Ad Performance Max campaigns that you should utilize. And it's gonna make the most out of your budget, get you as many conversions as possible. If you guys enjoyed this content, I do invite you to check out my website at ivanmana.com, where I have a lot of free resources. I also have paid training courses that go into very thorough detail for various topics. In this case, let's say Google Ads and Google Ads retargeting, that will help take you to the next level when it comes to these topics and help you make the most out of your campaigns so you can start seeing results and getting money online. All right, that said, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.